put on my face. You make home such a comfortable place. One hug from you and gray skies turn blue. There's no way to show how much I love you. You're the medicine that takes away my pain. To me you're way sweeter than a sugar cane. You ease my brain when I'm feeling insane. You make me rise high above like an airplane. You make me forget about everything. You sparkle brighter than a diamond ring. You make me proud and you make me wanna sing. You make me feel like I'm richer than a king. I see the twinkle in your eyes like the sunrise. I'm telling you no lies, you are the grand prize. So special to me, it doesn't matter your size. You're the best part of me, I hope you realize. It's okay, baby girl, don't cry. Let mama dry the tear from your eye. You know I'm gonna love you even after I die. To you I'm never ever gonna say goodbye. I know sometimes the world demands too many things from your precious little hands, but it doesn't matter if you're near or far. You will always be your mama's shining star. I'm sorry me and daddy always fight, keeping you up at night, giving you a fright. I promise baby girl it will be alright, and you will always be in my spotlight. I want you to remember when you're afraid that you're the best thing your mama ever made. I will protect you and I'll always let you be whoever you wanna be, and I'll bet you there will never ever be anyone else above you. Doesn't matter what you do, I'll always love you. I couldn't stay mad at you if I wanted to. It doesn't matter what you put me through. You gave me a reason to live, a reason to see, a reason to breathe, and a reason to be. You make my life happy and so carefree. When I look at you, I'm looking at a little me. It's okay, baby girl, don't cry. Let mama dry the tear from your eye. You know I'm gonna love you even after I die. To you I'm never ever gonna say goodbye. I know sometimes the world demands too many things from your precious little hands, but it doesn't matter if you're near or far. You will always be your mama's shining star. Hold your head high, baby girl, don't cry. When you go to bed at night, keep the pillow dry. If you see a monster under your bed, come get your mama and I'll hit him in the head. And if you wake up from a bad nightmare, you better know your mama's gonna be right there. I'll be running my fingers through your hair and then handing you your favorite teddy bear. Sometimes life can be complicated, and growing up can seem so overrated. I understand being a kid can be tough. Sometimes I don't think that I tell you enough. I hope you know, kiddo, how much I care. A life with you, I know I'm lucky to share. No way any other kid could ever compare. You and I, baby, make a perfect pair.